Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepika Oscar and I hope you're doing really good. Today we are back with yet another video to create the beautiful Deepika Padukone's Oscar look. Yay! So, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Deepika. I make content on lifestyle, beauty, fashion and a lot of happiness. So, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube journey. So, without any further ado, let's get started. We are trying to create somewhat this kind. Did my skincare and done my whole base kind of thing. So now let's just start it. So for the first I will be doing is a little bit of color correction. So I'm taking this Pro Conceal. Dun, dun, dun. See, you can tell the difference between both my eyes. I like to use my fingers to pat it in. Office and work and house duties make you look like a panda. But क्या करें? You have to take care of everything. Because this is the part where adulting comes in. Next I'm gonna go in with the foundation. This is Lakme Mousse. I really love the texture of this, and for the type of feather like finish she had, I'm going to get there. Skin with the help of my fingers. Okay, feels super. Now taking them. Done with this part. Let's do some highlighting. For the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Insta concealer in the shade medium. Light over here. Take this blender and concealing here. So, do you like the base? Okay, moving forward. To pull this all together, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to kind of set it all in. So, I'm taking the powder. Till now it's looking good. Let's move to the next part, my eyes. So in this eye look, she kind of pretty much had the main star of the show was the dress, but I really love the way she carried a very subtle. All what we can see is the beautiful eyeliner. So let's get there. So for my eye base, I am using the Hoola bronzer. I'm just spreading all over my eyes. This kind of gives me a base, Next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna intensify a little bit. I'm going to Quartz, which is from Lakme Pickup Color. This. We can't actually see what she has done to her eyes on the lids apart from the liner, so I'm just putting it here. To kind of pop it in. Give it a little more, Lily, I'm going on the left eye. Another dark intense I'm going to add here. This is my kind of imagination of what her eye might look. So I think that's a good to go. Next I am moving forward to her eyes, the main part, that is the liner. So taking the Maybelline gel liner, going to apply just line it. See, one I have got. Let's see if we can do it the second try. The best way I believe is to kind of just, okay, best way is just kind of create a line. Okay, now drag it back. This is some really hard stuff. So this is my eyeliner. Very happy about the liner because this is kind of the main part. ये मेरा थोड़ा सा spill आ गया, but I'm not going to touch it. I will let it dry. For the time being, I'll just complete my other things. So another part, main part of the look was the eyebrows. So I am going to use my eyebrow pencil over here, which is this. I'm going to just fill in my sparse area and shape it. I'm really loving how my eyebrows have turned down. Okay, moving to the next part is bronzing. I'm taking a bronzer again. We had very minimum blush, so हम उसको kind of maintain करते हुए we are going to do that. I'm using this Swiss Beauty quad, and I'm just putting very like I just swiveled it and I'm just patting it all in my, I'm just kind of giving myself that peachy, very minimum. For the under eyes, I'm gonna take this brush and take the brown color which we did initially and just go under my eyes. See? Next we're going to go to the mascara. I'm using the Inside Cosmetics mascara. It's not important कि आप high expensive mascara use करो. You can always get this. So I'm taking this and just. So this is kind of final look. The lipstick I'm gonna go use for the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lipstick. So I'm going to go because she's very nude. I think this is the best match to the color she's worn. I need to use the Becca highlighter. This very lightly because there is a glitter over her face. I can't tell like how much, but yeah. I'm gonna pat all this in with a beauty blender. I'll just come back by creating a bun and wearing my dress. Hey guys, so this was the final look and I really enjoyed creating this. I love this dress which I got from Amazon, which is a very good deal. So this is the whole look and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole video and how I created the whole look. If you like the look, please do give it a like and drop a heart down below. And if you are not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube journey. I'll see you in the next vlog. See you, bye.